Hi everyone, in today's video I will quickly show you how to snap objects around your scene so that you can better align them to your existing meshes. This can be very helpful when building a scene like this where you want to layer meshes together to create a wall. If we pick any stone block from this scene, we can see where the origin is. The origin is used to determine where the snap point is. I will activate screencast keys so that you can better see what buttons I am pressing. You can see that as I move the object around by pressing G on the keyboard, if I hold Ctrl as well, the object will snap around the scene. Press Tab and go in Edit mode and select a bottom middle vertex. If you press Shift plus S on the keyboard, you can select the option to move the 3D cursor to the selection. Go into the Object menu and select Set Origin to set it to origin to 3D cursor. Now the origin of our object is at the bottom of the stone block and we can snap it more naturally on the top of other surfaces. Any vertex can be turned into the object origin, so you just have to be creative with how you want to snap your meshes. Hope you found this tutorial useful. Please subscribe and like our video for more content.